What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a filterable gallery widget on Elementor on your WordPress. So here I'm on my WordPress dashboard and there are two plugins that you need to install. First one, if you haven't installed yet, is Elementor, is a website builder or editor for WordPress. And if you haven't installed it yet, go to add new plugin and then search for Elementor. Okay, and this is the one you need, the Elementor website builder. It says here update now because I've already installed it and activated. So you need to click on install and then activate to activate Elementor. Now the second plugin, which is here the second one, is the essential add-ons for Elementor. If you want to search for it, just simply type essential add-ons for Elementor and you should see this widget right here. Install it now. Okay, it's installed. Go ahead and click on activate next to activate it, and it's now activated. Now let's go to Elementor and create a test page here. So go to Elementor, and here in the Elementor homepage, click on create a page. It'll create a page. Of course, you can edit an existing page with Elementor as well. Now go ahead in the widgets here and search for filterable gallery, and here it is. And here it says that it's in the essential add-ons. Just drag it here. And it's now added. Okay, now it's an image gallery. You can go ahead and edit all these settings, such as like number of items to show, the animation duration, column, number of columns, grids, and so on. And you can click on any photo to add like a link, quick link, or anything you want. So here you can go ahead and edit the lightbox icon, the link icon if you want, and go to filterable controls, and basically you can control anything regarding this widget. And once you are done with the settings, you can go ahead and continue editing and then publish your website.